Welcome back. Corporates should bring more accountability into their affairs. Also, industries need to start focusing on water consumption. These were some of the points highlighted at the seminar on sustainable business and good governance.
A day-long seminar on sustainable business and good governance was held to mark the India Corporate Week celebrations. The event was organized by the Registrar of Companies in association with Goa Chamber of Commerce, the Institute of Chartered Accountants, and the Goa chapter of Institute of Company Secretaries of India. Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar, industrialist Dattaraj Salgaonkar, president of GCCI Cesar Menezes, and other important dignitaries were present for the occasion.
We talk about fiscal deficits. In your case, a company with fiscal deficit won't survive. A company with revenue deficit may survive for a few years, but fiscal deficit definitely won't survive for more than 1 or 2 years maybe. So people start manipulating balance sheets to show fiscal positive. Governments also do that. They show income which is imaginary, which never comes.
Cesar Menezes emphasized that there is a need to make economical use of water consumption due to its scarcity.
But how many of us have programs to place to save water? Hence, in the industry needs to develop water consumption, water conservation programs. I think it's time that the industry sets target to economize the water usage, with sometimes like 10% saving in the first year, and 20% saving in the second year, and so on. Also, we have to strive to recycle water.
Our reporter Jason Suarez with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
And here comes a reply from the state government to the letter by the former chairperson of MPT, Praveen Agarwal. State Tourism Secretary has given a fitting reply to Agarwal condemning his language in the letter and his conduct.
On 20th September 2010, MPT had invited expressions of interest for setting up a marine industrial park and marinas on MPT water area on Zuari. State government was upset with this move by MPT for inviting expression of interest was invited without obtaining no objection certificate from the state and central government. On 27 September 2010, Secretary of Tourism M. Mudassir wrote a letter to the MPT chairperson Praveen Agarwal. The letter stated, "It is the opinion of the government that in the view of all ill will and bitterness generated by your past correspondence and their tenor and language, and also keeping in the view that these are the last few days that you are in the office as chairman of MPT, there is no point in interacting with you. The new chairman, interim chairman, who will be taking over the charge from you will begin with a clean slate, and there will be neither ill will or bitterness between him and state agencies. Hence, it is going to be more worthwhile to interact with him." The letter further stated, "In any case, the government of Goa expects that just before your departure, you will not take any major decision with the reference to the marinas or also on leasing of 22.50 lakh square meters of water areas of Zuari River between Sirdao and Agasai on MPT is not in possession of any land in the hinterland for carrying out necessary functions which are inherent in functioning of marinas and other activities that are proposed to be done on the leased water areas between Sirdao and Agasai." Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Now Goenkas can read autobiography of Father of Nation Mahatma Gandhi in Kokni. It is translated by freedom fighter and writer Gurunath Kedekar. Mahatma Gandhi Vichar Darshan, a launching ceremony, will be held at Madgaon on 18th December.
Granddaughter of Mahatma Gandhi, Usha Ben Gokani, will launch this book. A press briefing was held on Wednesday. President of Mahatma Gandhi Vichar Darshan, Dr. Harish Chandra Nagvekar, briefed us about the launching ceremony.
ह्या कार्यावळी खातीर उषाबेन गोकानी ह्यो महात्मा गांधींच्यो नात हांगा येतल्यो. आमचे व्हड सुटके झुजारी श्रीयुत पुर्णाबाब केळेकार हांणी महात्मा गांधींचें आत्मचरित्र कोंकणींत हाडलां आनी 500 पानांचें हें पुस्तक गोंयांक अर्पण करपा खातीर हो कार्यक्रम 18 डिसेंबर 2010 ह्या दिसा जातलो.
freedom fighter and writer Gurunath Kelkar, who has translated the autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi, spoke on Gandhi's life.
हे सगळे महात्मा गांधीचे फॉर्मेशन भुरगेपण कशें गेलें. महात्मा गांधी एक किरकोळ भुरगो आशिल्लो, दुडवो घराचो पूत न्ही. ताका वेगळे वेगळे फ्रेंड्स कशे मेळ्ळे, ताचे कडल्यान बरी कामां आनी वायट कामां कशी जाली, आनी तो मार्गार कसो आयलो, आपले आपूण चिंतूंक कसो लागलो. तो इंग्लंडाक गेलो, बॅरिस्टर जालो, सिर्वीस मेळोन जाली, पयशे जोडूंक जायना जाले. मागीर अकस्मात आफ्रिकेंतल्यान ताका आपोवणें आयलें, मागीर आफ्रिकेक गेलो.
Our reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
We will come back from a short break. Stay tuned.